How to fix MacBook speakers not working in macOS Sequoia. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix MacBook speakers not working in macOS Sequoia. So let's get started without wasting any time. Method 1. Check your MacBook sound settings. For that, go to Apple logo and choose System Settings from the drop-down menu. Now swipe down in the sidebar menu and select Sound. Here, check if the correct output device is selected, for example MacBook speakers, and make sure the output volume is up and not muted. And also make sure that both speakers are balanced. Method 2. Reset PRAM and VRAM. For this, go to the Apple logo and shut down your Mac. After turning off the Mac, wait a while, then turn your Mac back on. Now immediately press and hold Option plus Command plus P plus R keys until you see the Apple logo. Release the keys and check if the sound works. Method 3. Check the sound of specific app. Make sure that the specific app you are using is not muted or sending sound to any other device. And also make sure that no Bluetooth device is connected to your Mac. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.